Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, as you guys can see, I am so super excited about this unboxing. Literally, this item hasn't even come out yet on the Coach website, like the US Coach website. It's actually on the Coach Singapore website, but it's not on the Coach US website yet. My amazing SA Marie literally like sent me a picture while I was in the parking lot, like, guess what came in? And I'm like, what? And she showed me the pictures, guys. Without any further ado, without any more talking, so this is a brand new item that's supposed to be coming out next week, I think. But I got my hands on it, so I just wanted to do this quick unboxing, do my first impression, give you a little bit, some detail about the bag and some features about the bag, and also let's do what fit in the bag, and I'll probably give you guys a mod shot of what the bag looked like on me and when it's customized. All right, guys. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, my essay is so amazing. Let's put this right there, and then obviously this is my receipt right here, and she gave me a little cologne fragrance for my husband so he can try it and see if he likes it. Anyway, guys, I know this is what you guys are here for, so without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. All right, guys. Oh my god, I cannot wait for you guys to see what I picked up. I'm so excited. I actually while I'm opening this, I actually picked up two items. Okay, so this is one of the two, and both of them are brand new. They're not even on the Coach website yet. So I'll do this unboxing today, post it as soon as I finish it, and then I'll do another one probably tomorrow and post the other item that I did purchase as well, because these are both brand new. All right, guys, so without any further ado, let's get this. I don't think you guys will be able to know what it is, so I'm not even going to ask you guys to guess what the item is. Let's move all of that out the way. Let's move the ribbon out the way. Oh my god. So you know what, guys? Let's do a little bit zoom in so you guys can see exactly this product, okay? 3, 2, 1. Guys, look at what I picked up. So this is the brand new Coach Studio Baguette bag, okay? So this is the Coach Studio Baguette bag. It's supposed to resemble the Fendi Baguette, but this is the Coach version of it, but they made the Studio into the Baguette style. So this is the Coach Studio Baguette, and this is in patent leather, okay? They do have my essay Marie showed me like 3 different ones. You have the one that's made in the glove tan leather with the crystal around it, but I didn't really want that. I wanted this patent leather. I just think it's so beautiful. I love the color of this. This is like a nice like light beige in between pink type of color. Anyway, let me go into a little bit more detail about this bag, okay, guys? So as I stated, this is made with patent leather, okay, guys? So this is made with patent leather, so beautiful. The measurement of this bag from here to here in length is 7.9 inches. Height from here to here is actually 4.3 inches. And then the width from here to here is actually 2.3 inches in width. Okay, guys? So as you guys know about the studio, the Coach Studio, you just click on here. This is a push lock closure, so you push on it and then you open it up. Guys, look at the beauty. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So it does come with this adjustable and removable strap, so you can actually, so this is 21.7 inches drop, and you can adjust it. It gives you, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different slots that you can use to adjust it if you wanted to adjust it. So it's actually 2 straps that it comes with. So you got the long detachable strap, and then you got the detachable handle, guys. So the detachable handle, as you see, is not adjustable, but it is 8.5 inches drop. So you basically can put it on the top. So let me move this out the way real quick. So if we come back to the bag, as you guys see on the inside, it's made it's lined with fabric lining. As you can see, this beautiful chocolate color brown. I love it. It does come with one multi-function pocket, so you do have the pocket right here, this one pocket right here. And then it comes with my, I guess this is like a little cleaner thing. This is surprising. This is the first time I've seen it in a Coach bag, but you do have this one pocket here. Let me see if it doesn't have the QR code. Let's see if there's anything else in here. So there's nothing else in here. So the one multifunction pocket right there. And then on the other side, which is what I really want you guys to see, it has 8. Let me see if I can show you guys. 8 credit card slot, guys. 8. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you literally can put, let me see. Well, let's see. Let's just make sure. I think it's either 8 or 6. I'm sorry. I don't want to mislead you guys. So let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, guys, so it's 6. So you got 6 credit card slot. So you can just put your card in it. So you don't need to actually even carry a wallet. You can put your credit card on the sides right here. It gives you 6 credit card slot, which is amazing. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you also have a pocket right here on the front, a little small multi-pocket on the front right here. And then you just got this big old open space on the inside right there. When you go around the bag, so let's go around, it does have a pocket on the outside, and it's also lined in this beautiful brown color. Let's see if I can give you guys the style number. So this one that I picked up is C as in cat, E as in Edward, 761. Again, it's CE 761. And as you guys can see, the color is B4/latte. Yeah, I think that definitely describe this color. Is so beautiful. And then this is actually retailing for $350, guys. I just literally picked it up. And I think the other one, which come with the stud and the glove tan leather, that's retailing for $450. But the patent leather one is $350, as you guys can see right here. So we have that. There's no feet on the under, as you guys can see. So no feet right here. It does have the D-ring on the side because you can attach the removable and detachable straps on there. And then you do have the key. As you guys are aware, the Coach Studio does have a functioning key. So you can actually take this off and actually close it. Close the bag or open the bag. All right, guys. So if you want to do that, all you do, you take the clochette out. Let's get this off. And you can even attach it again. And then if you want to use the key, so let's open the key right here. And as you guys, I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but this is a functioning lock bag, okay? So you see, as you do it, it's lock, cannot open, and then you use the key as well to open the bag, guys. Yep, so as you guys can see, it is functioning. So you just use the key as well to unlock it. And then there you go. And it's functioning right here, guys. Guys, this bag is so beautiful. As I stated, it does have all of those in the feature. So now let's see what fit in this bag, okay? Because it is a cute little bag. Oh my God, it reminds me so much of the Fendi Baguette, but it's so cute in this patent leather. So let's do what fit in here, okay? So guys, let's take this stuff. And I know, just a FYI, if you guys are trying to figure out iPhone, because I do have the iPhone, I think 14 Pro Max, it does fit in this bag comfortable, okay? And the good thing about this, I don't really need to carry credit card, my wallet, because it does have credit card slots, so I can just use the card that I'm going to use for the day, just slide it in there, so I don't need a wallet per se to put in here. But it does give you that function if you do want to carry a wallet. But the iPhone Pro Max 14, the iPhone 14 Pro Max does fit in here, and then the regular iPhone does fit in there, because I don't have those my two phones on me right now. But if you guys are like interested to try to see, my AirPod would definitely fit in there. Lotion would definitely fit in here. Let's see. This is my Coach wallet, but I would definitely not carry this. It will fit in there if I remove stuff, but this is too bulky, so I definitely will not carry this. When I'm using this, I'll just use the 6 credit card slot on the side to carry whatever I need. My husband's wallet, and same thing, even with my husband's wallet, I might not even carry that just because I do have that credit card slot on the side right there. So kind of keep that in mind. My purse, hook, this definitely got to go. So this one is like kind of like a quick type of bag where if you don't need too much if you don't need too much to carry, you carry those things with you. If you wanted to, you can carry like a slim a slim card case if you wanted to. This is like an old vintage Coach one. You can carry that. That will fit. But like I stated, the credit card slot area is definitely a good area where you don't really need to carry too much stuff. You see what I mean? So it does carry a lot though because of the length of the bag. So even though it's short, but because of the length of the bag, it allow you to kind of stuff it up a little bit. And then mind you, so I only put like maybe 2 items in here because I would definitely use the credit card slot, so I won't really carry my wallet. And I also have this space right here. So if I wanted to put one of my phones, I can put one of my phones in here and then put another item in here if I wanted to without really losing any space. And even at that, so look guys, I only put these 2 items in it. Look how, well, there's 3 items. Look, I still got space that I can actually utilize, and that doesn't even include the backspace right here, which is amazing. But 90% of the time I don't use my backspace because I don't want it to stretch out, but I would utilize that if it does come to it in order for me to use this bag right here. And honestly, with me putting just a little light things in it, it's really not that heavy. So definitely. And so let's move this. If we're like, okay, well, we want to carry a card, okay? So let me put my Coach card case, which is really bulky, as you guys are aware of. So if I wanted to carry my card case, I can, and I still have the space to utilize for like my cell phone if I wanted to do that. And even at that, even with a card case, look, it still fits. And if I'm like, okay, well, I want to carry my hand lotion, so I do have that little squid. So you see, even with the hand lotion picking out, look at this, guys. It's still closed. Look at that. And it doesn't really make it too bulky, honestly. So as you can see, kind of picking out a little bit on here, but it's really not that bulky. So if I want to move this and just kind of play around with the space. So if I'm like, okay, I want to do that. See right there? If I turn the lotion around in a different way, I can. And then if I'm like, okay, well, I want to carry my AirPod. Let's see. Sorry, guys. Sorry for the shake. I just want to see if that will fit. So it would, but you really got to squeeze it in order for you to really like get it to lock. But you can see because of the bulkiness, it might not fit. But like I stated, I would not be carrying this big old Coach wallet. I would just use the card case in here. Just carry something light like these items right here. Something that I need, because most of the time if I'm going to use this bag, it's just a quick run around bag or a dinner date or a lunch date or something that's just like quick where I don't really need too much of an item in here. And as you guys can see, so if we put this right here, let me connect this. All right, guys, so look at this. So you can use it as a short shoulder bag if you wanted to, with the little short detachable handle strap. You can use it as a short shoulder bag, or you can use the long one for a crossbody, okay? You can use that for a crossbody. Let's move this out. Most of the time, I might not even use the detachable strap that it comes with, or the longer strap that it comes with. You guys are aware that I love to dress up my purse, so I might just do something just kind of unique. So like, as you guys can see, I have this little acrylic chain right here, which I think will just be so beautiful with this bag. So let's see. And probably what I'll do also is use the Coach dinky chain as my long crossbody chain. Okay, guys. So as you guys can see, I just use the acrylic. So if I wanted to see, I can just use the acrylic strap right here to take the place of this little strap right here, because I really don't need this. And I will probably dress up my purse just to make it a little bit different, a little bit interesting. So just this acrylic one, look how beautiful it blends with this color bag. Guys, look how beautiful it blends. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my God, this is so cute. So yeah, I probably might use like my acrylic, this one, or use the Coach acrylic chains that I actually purchased. So you can actually do it that way. Guys, look, just dress it up, make it a little bit interesting. Not the same as everybody's bag, but Look how beautiful this bag look, guys. Look, even with the acrylic, just guys, let's give it just a moment of appreciation. This bag is simply, simply, simply beautiful. I am so happy Coach actually decided to bring this bag to the States, because this would definitely rival the Fendi Baguette style bag, because a lot of companies are trying to do that style bag now. A lot of fashion houses are trying to do that. Like Dior just came out with their Lady Dior in a bigger one or something like that. But I think this is so beautiful, and it's a reasonable price. So for the patent leather, like I stated, this is $350 compared to a Baguette, which can go a couple of $1,000s. So guys, great, great. Like my first impression, honestly, I love this bag. Like before this bag even came to the state, I saw it somewhere and I was like, oh my God. And then I went on the Coach Singapore and noticed that they have the glove tan leather in a whole bunch of different colors. So I asked my ex, I'm like, Marie, is this coming to the state? And she was like, yeah, we might get the patent leather or the other one. And as soon as it came in, she called me. I was like, I'm coming to pick it up. Like, this was one of the bags that I actually was waiting for Coach to actually release. I just think this is so, so beautiful. So, oh my God. This Studio Baguette, yeah, it's a run for Fendi's money. It's a run for all of those top luxury houses. Like, this is so beautiful. And for the patent leather being that cheap of a price, guys, I did not mind paying it, even though my sales associate is so, 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 so amazing. But guys, $350, this is a great value for the money, guys. So anyway, I just wanted to get this review out to you guys as soon as possible. My first impression review, so you guys can see this beauty and what fits and everything. I know I didn't have a lot to fit in it, but this bag can hold a lot if you wanted to. But don't put too much so that it doesn't get heavy, but it wouldn't really get too much heavy. But just because this is more of like a date night kind of bag, or a quick errand type of bag, not really a bag that you put your whole kitchen sink in. That's why you probably need like a tote or a bigger bag. But this is something just classy bag that you can just use for date night, drinks, whatever it is that you go do outside. This is the bag for it. And this color, guys, this latte color, beautiful. And this patent leather, guys, it feels so, so, so amazing, guys. So I just wanted to get this out to you guys as soon as possible. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video when I unbox the second item that I just picked up. That's brand new as well, again, that's brand new on the Coach. It's not even on the website yet. So I will unbox that tomorrow for you guys. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.